Hey, what's going on? My name is Paul Farmer, and you are on my YouTube channel. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be talking about Home Business Academy. I've been a member of Home Business Academy almost 3 years now. I'm going to do my best to keep this pretty short, but there is a new training that was added to one of the products, the that I want to share with you. It's all about emailing, how to write emails that serve and sell. Really powerful training. So, before I get to it though, what I want to do is I just want to share with you, like I've been making videos for a while now about Home Business Academy. I have a whole playlist. You can see it right here. Um, and all kinds of topics are listed here. Okay. I even have a simple plan I put together that got me to $2,000 in my first 30 days. And I share what I did right here, what I recommend. Um, Home Business Academy, full product walkthrough. I mean, you name it, it's all here. My whole story of why I came to this company. It's all there. So definitely check that out when you have an opportunity. And then what I want to get to today is how to write emails that serve and sell. This is a brand new product. I'm not sure how long it's been here, but I know it's a newer product that's in the HBA traffic and conversions product. There are three products in Home Business Academy. What's great about the founders that I really haven't seen anywhere else is they believe in giving more value for the same price. So they continue to add to the products, but they don't raise the price. And so I've been marketing online since 2012, 11 years or so, right? And I've never seen that. Like people are always raising prices. So they don't believe in doing that though. They believe in just giving more and more and more and more and more value for the same price. So this is one of those products, this is one of the trainings that's offering more and more and more and more value for the same price by one of the founders. His name is Paul Hutchings. I started following him back in, I think it was 2012, 2013, along with his business partner, Mike Hobbs. Back then, they were giving a lot of value. It's one of the reasons why I came to this company because I knew the type of value they brought, uh, and it hasn't changed. In fact, they've just gotten better. So anyway, this product is in the HBA traffic conversions. The products go from HBA Funnel Builder, which is basically a tool that you can use for any business online, offline. You can create capture pages, sales pages, membership sites, use it for an e-commerce store. You name it, you can do it. And it's literally just $25. It's insane. HBA Premium traffic conversions. Now, I really like this product a lot. It's probably my favorite product, and the reason is because we have daily live training, daily live coaching that goes on here. You got Monday night marketing, what's working now. That's where they invite people in that are having success in the company and they share what they're doing. They have the daily Grow Rich call. It's been going on since 2011, I believe. Um, I think it's 11, 12 years long now. It's been going every day, Monday through Friday. Really, like that should be a clue right there. The type of consistency, the type of passion, just what they bring. I mean, who sticks that long to a conference call? Anyway, and then you got my favorite TNC Action Mastermind. The reason this is my favorite is it's Monday through Friday, and it's literally a daily live coaching session every single day with guys that are seven-figure marketers every single day. You get to sit and watch them market right in front of you again, Monday through Friday, live, and you can ask questions. I mean, this is powerful. This is exactly what they're doing to grow their business and you get to see it live. So if that's something that it makes sense to you, that's something you think you feel would bring value to you, then you're definitely going to want HBA Premium. And the final one here is Financial Literacy Academy. And this one's all about saving money on taxes, helping you keep your money because you can make a lot of money, but if you don't know how to keep it, or keep more of it, then what's the point, right? So this all kinds of different strategies to make more money off outside of just online marketing. Really powerful product. Again, this is not a whole product review. Like I already did that right here, full HBA product review. You can definitely check that out. But what I want to do is talk about this write emails and service sell. Okay, so Paul Hutchings did this video. And one of the things Well, he's just an excellent copywriter. He's makes sales consistently with his list. I mean, the numbers of sales he makes from the numbers of people he's emailing, it's just insane. I mean, he knows how to do it. It's like magic watching him write an email. When it comes to copywriting, like he has this thing down. And in this training, what he does is walks you through the different parts of the email, like how he comes up with his ideas, what types of words is he using, and why is he using these words. And it's really a powerful, it's about a 50-minute training. And part of this training comes from, guess what? The live TNC Action Masterminds, because on the live TNC Masterminds, you actually get to see Paul Hutchings write emails right in front of you and explain to you why is he writing it this way? Why is he using these words? Why is he using this subject line? Why is he using this PS line? Why is he telling the story this way? Like he goes and tells you exactly what he's doing. And this is all part of this HBA traffic conversion. So anyway, this is a training that was added recently, and that's exactly what it goes into. It goes into how do you serve, because what a lot of people like to do with emails is they like to just use swipe copy, right? Already done for you copy. Doesn't really tell your story, doesn't really let your list know who you are. It's literally just copy paste kind of stuff. Or they just want to sell, right? And that's not necessarily a good thing either. So what the reason Paul has so much success with his emails is because of the relationship he's able to develop with his list through his emails. He puts his own stories into his emails and then gives like marketing lessons from those stories or life lessons from those stories. So it's really, really powerful. Not many people do it, but it's very effective. In fact, it's so effective, he's had companies want to hire him to write emails for him. He's had teams use his emails and make sales. So um, I personally think this is a very powerful training, especially with everything else that's included here. And you just can't go wrong. I mean, I would watch it 10 times, just going through, taking notes, paying attention to exactly what he's doing. But on top of that, like I said, with this product, HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions, you get a whole lot more, obviously, but you also get access to a live training where you will see in real time emails being written, why they're being written, how they're being written, what words are being used. All of that is there. So that's all I really have. I just wanted to kind of share that this is in here because in my 11 years online, it's rare that I find people that actually teach copywriting, actually teach email marketing effectively. Typically, it's a very, very watered down type of training that I find. So when I find something that's, actually going to help you when it comes to your email marketing, when it comes to, because the truth of the matter is, if you can write good copy, you will make sales. Simple as that. I mean, copywriting is a very high paying skill once you master it. So is it any wonder why he's able to make as many sales as he makes, and not just low ticket sale. I'm talking like any kind of sale he can make with these emails. So anyway, the training's here. As I said, you get live training as well. You can even try this out for $1. They give you $1 trial, which is insane, right? $1 trial. And you can try it out for 2 weeks. So you can get that training for a whole 2 weeks for $1. You can get the live action masterminds for 2 weeks for $1. But what I do recommend, the way to do it, and let me just bring this up real quick, is to see here. Just go right here, and I'll put a link right below. Go to the link, click yes, I want in, and that opens up the page where you want to scroll down and make sure you click this box. So what this is going to do is this is going to give you the funnel builder product, which is $25. Everything pays 80% commissions. These are residual commissions, these first two products. And then you'll check the box so you get the HBA Premium for 2 full weeks. So you'll get access to the right emails that serve and sell training. You'll get access to the live masterminds, all of them, the TNC, where you could actually see in real time these emails being written right in front of you and explain how and why they're being written this way. Plus all of this extra stuff here. I don't have time to go through all of it, but as you can see, there's just a lot in here. And the thing is, as I told you at the beginning, I believe I told you at the beginning, is the founders of this company believe in providing more value for the same cost. They do not raise the cost. I have not seen them raise the cost one single time. They do not raise the cost. So whatever you come in at, understand, say 6 months down the road, most likely the product's going to be even more valuable. More value will be pushed into it because that's just how they do things. They just believe in giving more and more and more value. And they really believe in wanting to see you win, wanting to see you create freedom in your life and your family's life so you can go out and help others do the same, right? So, um, that's all I got. Go ahead and click that link right below this video. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. If you want to know more about Home Business Academy, as I said, go to my playlist. I've done a lot of videos on it. And with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.